Worried that your Facebook account might still be logged in on other devices? You can quickly check and log out from everywhere in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Now tap the hamburger menu in the corner of the screen to open the main menu. Scroll and tap on Settings and Privacy, then go into Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Account Center. This is where Facebook manages your login and security options across devices. Inside Account Center, tap on Password and Security. Now select where you're logged in. Choose your Facebook account if prompted. Here you will see a full list of all devices where your account is currently active, including phones, tablets, or browsers. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Now tap Select Devices to log out. Choose one or multiple devices you want to remove access from. Then tap Log Out and confirm it once more in the pop-up. And that's it. Those devices will immediately lose access to your Facebook account. If anything looks unfamiliar in the list, it's always a good idea to change your password afterward for extra security. Done. Your account is now under your full control again.